Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 12 hot hairstyle ideas that we're going to be seeing trending in spring and summer 2023 season. So this video is going to showcase an early look at some of next season's biggest trends, from bold hair coloring of orange and copper tones to chic layered haircuts, as well as the shaggy styles, the pixie mullet, bob haircuts, and everything in between. So if you are in need of a major hairstyling idea or transformation, chances are that you may get some ideas from today's video. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyling options, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.